Okay guys, the plugin to recreate the Wayback Machine content into WordPress, we've renamed it now to Expired Domain Alpha. Okay, what you can see here is I've got the sort of first version of it here, and it hasn't yet been changed over in the name. So just to avoid confusion, I wanted to point that out first of all. Okay, what you will notice is as soon as you add your license key, this pre-populates here immediately. Okay, what this is a snapshot from the archive.org. Okay, we need to give it a second to load up, and you can see there's no content on that latest version of the snapshot. So what we need to do is we need to go through the previews until we find one that has got some content. And you can see this one here has got some content, the one we just clicked, and we can have a look at the site in this small preview window. And what we want to do is we want to replicate this inside our WordPress site. Okay, yeah, May 2013. Okay, so that's the date that we want to recreate, May 2013. So if I come up here and I put in here from May 2013, and I'm going to put in again 2013 May, retrieve archives. Now what will happen, click on this button, we have to wait, and you can see it's discovered 13 URLs. Expected time to make the completion is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay guys, so you can see that is completed now. If we go and have a look at the website and we open in a new window, you can see it's been perfectly recreated. Okay, and we've got an order button here, and we've got a learn more button here, and we've got the video which plays, and all we did is one click, and
Hi and welcome. If you're a company,
even the video is embedded in here. Okay, so it's working quite nicely. Come down the bottom here, and let's see, we've got some links down here. We've got a sitemap. We can click on that. So let's see, we've got the order page working. We've got the learn more page working. Let's see, we've got the sitemap all showing. Fantastic stuff. Okay, all of that in one click. One click, everything is done.